In the year 2022, the global, so on the world scale, consumption of electricity for data centers were at the level of 2%. So basically 2% of all electricity consumed in the world was going for the data centers. Worth to mention that those data centers were also encountered cryptocurrency mining. So this was also considered as within this consumption. Predictions are saying, which is roughly 480 terawatt hours of consumption. Predictions are saying we should come above 800 terawatt hours consumption in 26, which means we're going to double the electricity usage on a global scale to 4%. So 4% of all electricity in the world will be for data centers. Consumption of data centers in terms of electricity can really vary. So the small data centers, they consume less electricity. The big data centers, they consume a big amount of electricity. We have data centers in the past from 50, 100 kilowatts of electricity consumption up to megawatts and megawatts, so 2 digits, even 3 digits megawatt hour consumption of electricity. The fact is that the new technologies, like very well-known artificial intelligence, is something that is driving this consumption even further up. The answer for that, how to basically utilize electricity consumption better, is actually efficiency. And this is where the companies like our company, like Vertiv, with the solutions and products we are offering, giving the best, let's say, solutions in order to drive this efficiency on a higher scale. One of the results of running data center is heat. Yeah, definitely is heat something that data centers produce out of up and running activities. That heat lately on the global scale, the aim is to reuse that heat. That heat can be reused in several ways. One of the most common one, and we see that in Europe as well, is like supplying different heat stations that are afterwards can provide free or very low cost heating for local communities. So this is today let's say the most common way of reuse of the heat by using heat pumps, etc. Also some latest data center legislation saying that we should have, or the future data center, we should have to have a certain amount or percentage of heat reuse, which would be beneficial for the local communities, definitely.